My furnace will not shut off. What is going on?
It is not turning off.
But why isn't it turning off?
Check the thermostat. If someone turned it up to the max, the only thing wrong is your family's disregard to the electric bill.
I have a gas furnace.
Maybe the fuel valve is damaged.
That might cause it to keep leaking gas, but not to cause it not to turn off.
What could be worse is that the fuel won't stop but the flame is off, generating a risk of an explosion.
What else could be going on?
The control board could be fried.
The whole house will be fried if it doesn't shut off.
So will your electric bill, gas bill, whatever. Then again, the repair bill is going to leave you steaming, since control boards are expensive to replace.
This is really going to burn up my utility bills and wear things out.
If the thermostat is broken, it may not rise with the temperature. So the unit stays on.
You're just not going to let me off easy on this.
You should hit the switch to turn it off.
That didn't work.
Try the reset button. Resetting it may resolve any confusion in the control board.
I don't like an HVAC unit so smart it needs to be rebooted to fix it.
The other option is a control board that thinks the house is cold, so it keeps running.
Any other ideas?
You've got a gaping hole in a ventilation duct letting all the hot air out where you don't appreciate it. So the furnace keeps running to heat the neighborhood instead of overheating your home.
What else could it be?
I don't know, but the repairman's bill is more than offset by the money you'll save on the utility bills.